The secret place is pregnant with instructions, insights, revelations, assignments, mantles, and great destinies. The secret place is the labor room, where insights, revelations, assignments, mantles, and great destinies are birthed, of which the midwives are the divine order of Elohims, the divine celestial order. The secret place is a portal and a platform where great destinies are birthed. Dwelling in the secret place of the Most High leads to a consistent life of divine instructions, insights, revelations in order to fulfill one's destiny. Dwelling in the secret place of the Most High God leads to a step-by-step guidance into realms and dimensions of one's destiny and assignments. Void of dwelling in the secret place results to destiny and assignment derailment, jeopardy, and concealment. This is Her Grace, Prophetess, Professor Abigail Carlos Manya, PhD. Shalom.